Let's take a look at this example. Again, we have the complex number expressed in exponential form, and we're supposed to convert the exponential form to polar form, to trigonometric form, and rectangular form. Because the magnitude is given and the angle is given, we can find very easy polar form. So I have magnitude and angle, in this case, -5 radians. If you want to express the complex number in polar form but angle in degrees, you're supposed to write simply 4 and angle -286.48 degrees. But anytime we have such a high value of angle, you're supposed to keep in mind that we can always add the multiple of 360 to the angle, and basically we're not going to change the value of the complex number because the phasor is going to be at the same position if you are going to add multiple of 360. So because this value is less than 360, I'm going to simply add just 360 degrees. And take a look what we are going to have. We are going to have magnitude 4 and angle of 73.52. I prefer to use this value. This one is also correct, but I want you to learn both ways, okay? So, what we're supposed to do next? We're supposed to find the trigonometric form, okay? So I have magnitude, because this is the example of the trigonometric form. I have 4 and I have cosine. My angle is -5 radians plus j sine an angle of -5 radians. Okay, this is the complex number expressed in the trigonometric form with angles expressed in radians. But if you want to express this number in trigonometric form with angles expressed in degrees, you're supposed to simply write 4, and you can write cosine of -286.48 degrees or 73.52 degrees. I'm going to use 73.52 degrees plus j sine 73.52 degrees. Okay, this is my trigonometric form. If I want to find rectangular form, I'm supposed to find the real part. X equals magnitude times cosine theta, and I have r equals 4 cosine angle -5 radians. Keep in mind that you're supposed to have your calculator switch to radians because we are dealing with radians, and this is equal 1.13. And if you want to find imaginary part, y is equal r sine theta, which is equal 4 sine -5 radians, and this is equal 3.83. I found the real part and imaginary part, so I can say that my rectangular form x plus jy is equal 1.13 plus j 3.83. I found the polar form of this number, I found the trigonometric form, and I found the rectangular form. we can say that the problem is solved.